Hey friends, today in this video we will cover 15 powerful PowerShell commands to help you to manage Windows system like a pro. So these PowerShell commands is very helpful when you are just managing your Windows operating system, either that is Windows 10, 11 or Windows Server operating system. So let's start. I'm going to open the PowerShell ISC because I just saved this all command in a single file, that is a PS1 file. I'm going to open this basic PowerShell commands, this name that I just assigned this file. So let's start. I'm going to just close this one. Now first command, that is for just you want to get the entire informations about the computers like host name as well as the manufacturer of the physical machine or model of the system as well. So let's start. I'm going to select this command and I will select this option, so this will only execute this specific commands from this entire file. So let's start. So this is currently just loading the details. So this is the first detail, that is the computer name, and this is the manufacturer and model. Because I am using a VMware workstation, so this has just given the informations like manufacturer name is VMware and the model is VMware 2 0.1. So let's start the next command, that is the get operating system information. Suppose if you want to know the installed operating system from your system, so you will use this get CimInstance Windows 32 underscore operating system, and what all are the informations you want. So you can select the object like caption, version and build number. Now I'm going to select this one, and again I will execute this specific command. So I just selected this and I will click on this run selection over here. So this has just given the operating system name as well as the version and build number of this operating system. Now we just want to check the disk space utilizations of your system. So I mentioned that there are two PowerShell command. First command is just giving the detail into like KB, whereas this second command, that is also will give the disk space utilizations of your system, but this will gives you into like GB, because I just use the expressions like math, round and what is the utilizations and all, and just dividing it by 1 GB. So similarly, I'm just also doing this for free space as well. So this is also just dividing it by 1 GB for the free space. So now I will execute this one by one. So first I will select this one and I will execute this. So this has just given there are the two drives that exist in my system, and this is just given in the KB. Now we just want to get the informations into GB. So I will select this specific command over here and see, I'm going to execute this. So this has just given this informations into GB. So you can use this PowerShell command to get the informations into GB. And similarly, if you want to get the informations about the CPU utilizations of your system, so you can use this command. This will gives you the entire CPU utilizations detail. So let's start. So this is the PowerShell command that you can use. I'm going to execute this. So this is just calculating the details, and this is just giving the detail like this is the host name, where this is just checking the processor utilizations, and like uh, cooked value and instance name. The next command is, that is monitor memory utilization. Similarly, like how you just capture the CPU uses of your system, so you can also use to check the like memory utilizations of your system. So how much physical memory is available, as well as also how much this is just utilized. So this is just going to execute. So because I just missed this one, I will select the entire PowerShell command and then I will execute it again. So this has just given total memory is like 8 GB, around 8 GB, and 5.8 GB is still free for this system. So this has just given the memory uses of your system. Now the next command is get installed software list. Suppose you want to get the informations like what all are the softwares that currently exist in your system. So you can use this command to get the informations about the total installed software list. So you can use this command. So this is the command. I'm just going to decrease the font size over here so you can get the entire command list from here. Now just executed this. So currently these all are the applications that currently exist in my system. So this command has just given the entire software list which is installed on the Windows operating system. Now you just want to check the running process on your system. So you will use this get-process, select object, name, ID, CPU and working set. So I am going to execute this. We'll see what all are the results are there. So currently these all are the services that currently running on this system, and what is the ID of this specific process and how much CPU is currently utilized for entire process of your system. Next is you just want to check the system uptime, so you can use this command. So get date is the command that is used to check the date, and next is just GCIM operating system last boot time. So I'm going to execute this. So total seconds. So this has just given this informations like how many days, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. All entire informations are written over here. So this command has just given the system uptime. Next command is like export system info to CSV file. So this command will just export the entire system informations like computer name, manufacturer, model, Windows version, OS build, and this will just export the file by using this export-csv command, and you need to specify the path where you just want to export this CSV file. Similarly, just you want to check the network uses of your system, so you can use get-counter, and then you need to specify the network interface. So this will check all network interfaces of your system. If you have multiple network interfaces, so just we are using this asterisk value over here. I will just execute this command as well. So this will gives the detail of the network current network interface. So there is only one interface is there, and this is just giving the total byte of data transactions which is happening through this network interface. Now we just want to find the system boot time, so we'll use this command and I will execute it. Saturday, April 12, 2025. So this system has just given the detail like last boot uptime over here. Next, you want to check the list services and their status. So you can use this command get-service, and what all are the informations you want, including name, display name, status, start type. So this will gives you the entire detail as per your selection. If you will not use this command with this pipe, so this will gives the entire service detail only. But I'm going to use this entire command. I will execute it. So this has just given the informations as per the select object informations. We just passed it through this command, and next is get event log entries. You want to check the event logs last 10 or latest logs, so you can use this newest 10. If you will use this like 5, so this will gives you only 5 logs, and this will gives this informations like format table will be time generated, entry type, what is the event ID and all. So you can just customize this informations as per your requirement over here. I'm going to execute this one as well. So this has just given this entire detail of the event So you can count it. So there are the 10 event details that given through this command. If you will just use this like 9, so this will gives you only 9 informations. I'm going to execute it again. So there are 9 log informations I just given because I just given this newest 9. Final last shutdown time, when your system was last shut down by, because this event ID had generated. So you can use this command to check the detail by get-event log and where object event ID equal to 1074. So this event ID generated if you have just shut down your system. So this event ID will help you to find out the last shutdown time of your system. So I'm going to execute this. So this is the date when this system was just shut down, and next is 15, that is the generate system health report. So this will also gives you this ms info command, ms info detail, and this will just put the informations into c system health report file name. So this is the file name that will get generated by using this command, and this will gives you the entire ms info 32 informations over here. Now it's just generating the informations. You can validate it in your C drive. It's just refreshing the system informations include, and it's fetching the detail, and then this will generate this file in your C drive. So these all are the very basic commands that you need to understand, and you can use this in your day-to-day Windows related task. Thank you for watching this video.